Hey everybody, welcome back. And for this one, we are doing Burpy of Slugterra. Here we go. So on this one, we have Adam with me instead of Izzy. Izzy's not feeling well, so Adam's taking over for him today. Okay, Adam. So, yep, we're going to start with 2 tentacles going up on the page. Burpy is a very easy character to draw, but we'll start with his tentacles. So we're just gonna do this. Tentacle.
Okay.
Typical tentacle thing a snail would have, because he's a slug. And we'll have one that side. Okay, now we're drawing a connecting line down the middle.
Okay.
A little bit going out and then down, like a little square bit at the top of his head there.
Guys, okay.
And this side as well.
Okay, 2 sides.
Now we're taking this slightly out from where it is. You got that? And we're bringing it down and slightly in. Down and slightly in. And that's basically his giant head. Okay, so now we're going to draw a smile, long wide smile.
Okay.
And now his eyes are going to be sort of triangular shape, rounded triangular shape. So from the outside we go up, rounded corner, in, and then back. And you complete the triangular rounded shape.
And then
Yep. And we do the same on the other side. We mimic that. Up, rounded corner, come back in, and yeah, that's good. That's good. Now we're going to do semicircles here. We're just going to draw a circle as if it's stuck within that, you know, the pupil. So we're going to do one. Another one. Now we're going to draw a little reflection there, just like that, little oval shape, and we do the same on the other side. Yeah. And now we draw another one inside that, but we watch out for the reflection shape. We go behind that. You got that?
Right. Yeah.
Okay. So now we're going to go down on either side, slightly down, and we're going to form 2 little arm things, just like that, little slug arms. Whoops, my slug arm on the one side is a bit higher, but it's okay. And we're going down the sides, down the little slug hips, and we're going wide with sort of what would be a foot shape for him, and on the other side as well. And we finish the shape at the bottom. I see you finished your shape as well.
Yeah, has a thin hip.
He's got thin hips. Okay, so that's almost done. But Burpy, I think he's a fire type slug or something?
Yeah, he's a fire slug. He's called an infernus. So.
An infernus. Okay, there we go. So we are going to draw a little flame shape coming down his head. And just can freestyle the flame shape. There we go. Make it your own little flame. And up his body down the middle here.
What looks like his belly.
Yeah. So his belly looks like it's on fire, but it's actually just these flaming markings. And there we go. That's it. That's Burpy, everybody. My tentacles looks a bit blunt. You should have been a bit tighter, but that's fine. That still looks like Burpy. Now it's time for color. Here we go. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's Burpy of Slugterra. Adam, I see you went with the blue flames on your one.
Yep.
That's nice, that's nice. You look like you haven't been feeding your slug a bit, eh?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
He just burns all the foods, man.
He burns up all his calories. Thanks for watching,
Thanks,
everybody. Please like,
to subscribe.
click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good and have fun. Bye.